Morgan went to get bug spray.
What?
Morgan went to get some bug spray. Ooh, yeah, another reason it's shaky is because I'm swatting mosquitoes.
Vampires at the south.
So tell me, why are we doing this?
Because I went to the auction today and bought two gilts, 2 pigs.
And we didn't have a pin.
What?
And we don't have a pin?
Nope.
So why didn't you stay home today and build a pin?
Because I have a job. If there's one thing I hate in my life, it's a bent cattle kennel. Hate it.
Don't spray me, you're the pest.
I already sprayed me. Bring me the driver, Morgan. Other side.
Here, let me douse you.
That's pretty straight, actually.
Hey, for real.
I don't like bug spray.
Do you like getting bitten?
Doesn't want it.
It's actually like very pretty back here, y'all.
Yeah, I know. Cut out the mosquitoes and it's paradise. And the humidity.
Yeah. You're gonna ruin it with pigs.
And the briars. And the briars. And the poison
It's
ivy.
getting
And the
farther
chance
from
we could be-
paradise the more you're talking.
And the chance that our lives are jeopardized every moment by the thought of a giant rattlesnake or copperhead or water moccasin.
I mean, look at the arm. Look at the arm. It's swole up already.
That's just muscle.
No.
Zip ties. Your job is none other than to just hold zip ties for me, okay?
I would normally care more about my hearing as well. However, we did not bring 3 pairs of earmuffs, and I'd rather them wear it because they actually do have hearing issues.
Huh?
Nothing.
Yeah.
See, I just said they have hearing issues.
Oh. Did I do my stupid face?
Yeah.
Oh well. That was free of charge.
What?
I don't like the camera.
You can get over it. The camera doesn't like you.
What?
I said the camera doesn't like you as you found that chicken. These are
Is that them? Or is that someone at the road?
I think that's somebody at the road.
I'm thinking of names. Maureen was bringing up names that I just didn't like any of them. So.
You, the one that you almost bought that had like the black tip on his nose, looked like it had a hoof sticking off its face.
Yeah.
You know, I was thinking of all kinds of names for that
I'll
one.
give you a name or boot. Go down that side. I got this side. I need you to take care of the other side.
Yeah, but you ain't got no zip ties.
I've got some in my
That's
pocket.
what you think. I have a quarter. Yay.
Everybody just heard you.
I don't care. Mr. Jimmy scared me. He's like, I can't reach in there to get him up. He said, B, reach in there and go get that one up so we can look at it. I said, nah, I don't think so. He said, here's a hog shocker.
Explain why you just said he called you B.
Oh, he doesn't know my name. He knows who I am, he just doesn't know my name.
Yeah, but why does he call you B?
Because he knows our age order, but he can't remember whose name belongs to who. It's Ansley, Cristan, Morgan, Carissa. And his wife knows our names, but he calls us A, B, C, and D. Ansley's A, I'm B, Morgan's C, Carissa's D. So that's how it works. Talk to him on my phone, I say, hey, Mr. Jimmy, this is B. He knows exactly who I am. I'm fine with that. I've been called a lot worse things. Morgan, I need T-posts. Go get them!
You said I was supposed to hold zip ties.
You have 2 jobs now, which means you're doing better than most of the socialist population.
I had to throw in the commie joke.
Well, that was not technically a commie joke. That was a pre-commie joke.
Is
Morgan,
that what socialist is?
yeah, that's a pre-commie. We're not going to be able to use any of this footage unless you put it on silent. Morgan, just because you can't hear yourself doesn't mean we can't hear you.
When you're too short to
Yeah,
get it on.
I have to work with it. you. I'm sorry, I'm delirious.
My twin telepathy is not working.
Why?
My twin telepathy, you didn't tell me to hold it. You just like...
I thought I did tell you to hold it.
When you hollered.
I thought I told you before that. Anyway. And I'm bad about bending T-posts, so I'm trying to reel in my violent tendencies. Morgan's no longer allowed on camera.
Yeah.
That's fine.
What?
I'll still find a way to crash it.
Probably.
Oh, they're back. Did you see
are
them
for
back?
real gonna hit somebody with that thing swinging it one day.
As long as it's me, I don't have to pay insurance. Which is good, because I don't have any. We don't have anywhere to put these jokers.
I'm actually just supposed to be the camera person. So Morgan
This is
is Morgan's fault if nobody's helping you.
I'm going to drive this
How's
coach. I'm going to go
everything
see
my
those
fault?
jokers.
Why is everything my
Did y'all get them?
Yep. One of them about ate the guy who was helping us.
Which one?
Big.
What, did he say something?
What did he say?
Say it again, Daddy. She didn't hear you.
You're lying, right?
I was about to throw up to begin with anyway.
Or he's a little bit younger than Morgan.
Hi.
He's probably 13, 14.
The one with the long legs. The pink one right up in here.
Once we got the pigs to the farm, we stopped filming to finish the pen as quickly as possible. Then we wormed them, which was an experience.
The red one's for the big pig now. Okay? I got the other one.
Shut the gate. Alright, so calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. So. Give me that. Which one's this one for?
That's the big one.
For the big one.
We'll take the red thing off.
Oh
Pull
dear.
it straight.
Chill. Alright. Come on. I don't think they're gonna go that. I mean,
I don't think they will either, but you just don't want to leave a hole.
I think they're gonna go straight out. Fresh green grass. They acting like they're coming, but they're not sure.
One at a time, girls. You ain't gonna blow it. Whoa, one of you ain't gonna sit at a time. There you go.
No, they're already rooting for acorns. Look. This light is horrible, but I'm trying. That pink one shows up great. Can't see the black one for jump. They're over there having a good time. Oh, it got shocked. But see, now that you know, you won't do it again. See, y'all are fine now. What was y'all's problem? It's like 10 or 10:30 or something like that, and we finally, mission accomplished. Are you tickle pink?
I'm tickled as pink as that.
That's what I'm saying. It's just following the black one though. It does not know what. Look, now they're going over there to see what's going on.
I'm glad I got one of each. That way I get some spotted piglets, spotted, speckled, all kinds of pretty ones, and then I get some ones that look like hamsters. Good news is they're both still there.
Y'all haven't eaten all your food yet.
already been in the water, though. Look how dirty it is. Hi. Hey. Look how they're rooted up in there already. You don't know what that is, do you?
I don't know, we
Might need to lower it. I think.
We might have to be more careful. Well, not be more careful. We might need to shift these stakes here out a little bit so they can't try to get in that water.
Okay.
Shift them over a little bit. What's up? Whatever you is. Number 1 and number 2.
I might just call them that.
Call them A and D.
Yeah. Names for everything.
Alright. I got to go.
Look at where they'd rooted up already back there. They were eating all the acorns last night.
Yeah, that's the only thing you gotta just pay attention, make sure they don't eat the trees down. I need to cut
Yeah.
the big vines out of that one tree down.
Did I just not pay attention to the other ones, or are these a lot more talkative than the two over there?
I want to make sure that little one gets.
It's like a dog.
Like butterball.
So just make sure, you might have to get in there to do it again.
Yeah. You didn't eat all the food from last night, so I'm still giving them more, just not.
Yeah, they got lots of
Yeah.
stuff in there to eat. Just look at it, make sure they're able to drink.
Look at it, it just follows it.
Kitten does not like the sound. Don't let him, they'll eat him.
They will eat him.
I also like the fact that they both have upright ears.
What are you doing? Being very unimpressed? Stepped on it.
I like that they're hanging together though.
Okay, yeah, I don't think the boar or the feeder talked as much
told
as
you.
that spotted one.
The one's been on pasture because their tail's not been cut. If they're raised on concrete, their tails are cut. So the pink one has probably never been in a setup like this, but the spotted one I think probably has been. You know, something similar to this, even if it was just dirt. Out of the 3 spotted ones that were there, that was the one with the most black on her, and that's the one I like. Because she got an almost Berkshire look to her, but Mr. Jimmy also said she looked like a Poland China pig, whatever that is. But I was happy because I kind of got the best of both worlds as far as Yorkshire and the colorful one that I wanted. Like I said, Mom was a Yorkshire crossed with something, and I'm pretty sure his daddy is a Duroc crossed with a Hampshire. He's got a little bit of everything. That's why he's like red, that looks like a Hampshire, and he's got floppy ears like a Duroc and stuff like that. Crossing it with the spotted pig would get all kinds of different colored piglets, like, spotted, solid, red, black, pink. I was really trying to get all that thick stuff in there, but only bush hogged a little bit to get the fence through, but the rest of that, I wanted to leave that thick stuff up for them. She talks a lot. She sounds like we call her Gator.
You could. That is kind of what it sounds
Let's
like.
call her Gator. So Gator. What are we gonna call a pink one?
Baloney.
Gator and Baloney.
That sounds fine.
Let's do it. Gator and Baloney. Gator and Baloney. That's my first 2 gilts. They're getting friendlier, but you see the pink pig is wider. And then it's kind of weird because she actually is built more like Red, even though she looks more like a Yorkshire. And then the spotted one's leaner and built more like Wilbur, even though she's probably more of a heritage breed style.
Hey, P. Look where they've got right here, Cristan.
Yeah, look over here. Got armadillo holes over here. That's what's good on this side. I gotta go test it, but Morgan's bringing me to test it. The first 2 gilts on the farm. And hopefully Gator by the end of the year will give us some babies. And then Baloney probably beginning of next year will give us some babies. But this is their first morning out here. Welcome to the farm, Gator and Baloney.